Hi, so in today's lesson, we're going to be reviewing the consonants B and L, which is our consonants 2 and 3. So let's start with B. This is our capital B. This is our lowercase b, and it makes the b sound. Now I know last week when you reviewed this, you probably looked for some things around your house that started with the letter B. And I thought I would show you a few of the things that I found at my house. So I'm going to first start and show you, I found a ball. It's a soccer ball. A b, ball, ball. And then I found a bird. B, b, bird. Then I have a book, b, b, book. And then my last one I found was something fun here. I have some balloons. Balloons. I have some balloons. B, b, balloons. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the words that Unique chose for us that make the b sound. All right, there's a delay here. Hang on, there we go. All right, so some of the words that they chose for us are um, buy, buy, b, b, buy, bow, bow. You put a bow on a present. Then we have bank, b, b, bank. We put our money in the bank. And bill, b, b, bill. All right, let's go ahead and see. We're going to go to our word mat and see if we can find the B words. And it looks like I already. Bill. So we have bill, b, b, bill. Buy. Buy, b, b, buy. Bow. Bow, b, b, bow. Bank. Bank, b, b, bank. And last, ball. Ball. Ball, ball. All right, let's go back and we'll look at the letter L. Okay. A little bit of a delay. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. Here's our capital L and our lowercase l. And I think Miss Chasko said last week that the L makes a L sound, just like when you're putting the tip of your tongue on the top of your roof of your mouth. L. So let's look at some words. Again, these are some words that I found around my house that I wanted to share with you. So first thing I have here is a Lego, Lego. And then I have a box of Life cereal, Life, Life cereal. I have a lime, lime, and last, which is my favorite thing that I have, is a lightsaber. 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 All right, let's take a look at some of the words that Unique gave us. Okay. So we have here, let's see, some of our choices. So we have a log, 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 a lake, looks like there's a lot of people standing around that lake, lake, a letter, letter, and a loan, loan. Okay, let's go to our activity mat here. Look for our letter L. And then we'll start with the L sound.
L, O.
L, O, O, O.
Lamp,
Lamp,
lake,
lake,
log,
log,
loan,
loan,
letter.
letter. Okay, so those are the review words and the review letters for B and L. That's the consonants 2 and 3.